Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to delete multiple tasks in Asana. So this is actually pretty simple and straightforward. Just follow my steps. First, scroll down to your project section and open up the project where you want to delete your tasks. Then, once you view your task, just simply select them by dragging like this, and as you can see, 3 tasks has been selected. Now, in order to delete them, use this trash icon down here, delete tasks. Now, as you can see, deleted 3 items and your tasks are deleted. You can undo it right here, undo, if you are not satisfied with the result of deletion these tasks. So it is really simple, guys. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.